Hi everybody, it's Russell here. The market surges higher as of 3 July, as of time recording here, 3 July 2025. We're seeing the ASX going up, the Australian Stock Exchange going up very nicely over the last couple of weeks. With a further rate cut on the cards for next week, it's all but guaranteed now. Nobody can tell you with absolute certainty, but it's looking very, very probable. Well, that's good news for the share market. Share markets love rate cuts. It helps surge shares higher. It's good for company valuations. It's good for business confidence, lower interest rates. Time will tell. Let's see what happens next week. Before we get going here, please note our license numbers. In addition, general advice only. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Please speak to your financial advisor for personal advice. So just our license numbers there again. All right. Let's close out of here. I'm going to cut straight to the chase. What we offer here in VectorVest, I'll just make this jump out just a bit more. There we are. We provide you a whole lot of portfolios that you can look at for educational purposes. Right? We're not fund managers. We're not brokers. We don't manage your money. We provide you with all of the education from which you can then make better decisions. And I just want to point out over the last 12 months, so this is over the last year, last 12 months, here are some of the key trading systems or portfolios, if you wish, that we track. And our subscribers love to have a look at them. It gives them ideas. And so if I look at the top performing one here, the high momentum NPI stands for near perfect indicator. So if I click on the trading system details here and bring it across, you can see here you can get some great ideas. I can look at the trend developing. Wow, look at that. Superb. Come down here, have a look at some of the key metrics. You can see very impressive. And what I'll do here, I'll just close it out and hide these ones now. Here's my AI. Hide until next visit. There we go. Make it a little bit easier for us to see. All right, so you can see the key metrics, the returns taking place. Very impressive. And I'll give you a little bit of a sneak peek. There we go. There are two such stocks currently in that trading system. Take it a trial to VectorVest and you can find out the rest. Well, you can see the most recent ones here. That's down 2%. That's only up 1%. Come on, Russell, show us something more exciting. All right. How about this? All right. So I've given you a few more. DVP and GNP. It's certainly not all of the stocks. I've just given you a sneak peek as to one or two there. Have a look at those. Go and have a look at DVP, GNP. This is just one of many stocks that currently makes up the system here. Very easy to follow each and every day. And there we are. Let's have a look at the next one here, the Australian Blue Chip Div Payers. Our big blue chip portfolio here. This one holds a maximum of 20 at any point in time. You can see here some of the most recent returns. Very impressive. Now, this does not take into account the dividends and or franking credits. And so let's give you a very impressive ROI. Here we are. What is one of our most impressive ROIs? Return on investment, TNE, Technology One. Look at that, picked up on the 3rd of January. Sorry, it's US dates, just reading it. 3 Jan, I should put it into Australia dates. 3 Jan 2013. It's up an impressive 2,500%. So you can log into VectorVest each and every day and check these stocks out for yourself. So I'm just going to give you two out of, I think there's 14 or 15 being held currently. This one, 21 May 2020. Look at that, 208%. You'll see they're still in the system. This trading system is not designed to do a lot of trades each and every year. All right, so if you like a slow, steady moving portfolio without a lot of work, that might be one you might want to consider looking at. This is one of my favorite all-time ones. So if you're a subscriber to VectorVest, you know very well. I've always said this is one of my favorites. Look at the trend on that. You can almost like draw a perfect 45-degree angle. Look at the upward trend now. It's even steeper. And so this looks at mid-cap type stocks exploding up in value. And it's just proven itself time again during the global financial crisis. It held steady and it just kept powering on. A very impressive system indeed. So let's have a look here. Let's give you a bit of a sneak peek. All right. Let's have a look to the most recent. These are the two worst ones currently. But they're dwarfed by the top performers in recent times. So you can see here, Superloop, Wagner's. Let's give you one more. SRG Global. I don't want to give them all to you because I want you to take it a trial. Take it a trial and find out more about these amazing trading systems. They make your life so much easier when you're empowered with systems that are working, whereby you can see exactly what's taking place. Let's do one more. REITs enhanced, with rate cuts likely to take place next week. As of time recording here, as of 3 July 2025, guess who's going to benefit? Yep, property investors most likely, share investors most certainly, REITs, real estate investment trusts. They love a drop in interest rates. It fuels that real estate investment, and so REITs will certainly stand to benefit. So again, let's have a bit of a peek down here. Just show you two, for example. Aspen Group, look at that, up a whopping 151% since 2022. BWP Trust, all right, that's just recently acquired on the 24th of February. It's up nearly 5%. So just two such ones there to have a bit of a sneak peek at. So you've got it all here at your fingertips. You just log into VectorVest, you click on Viewers, and then you click on Trading System Viewer, and it's all here. Each and every day you can have a look, pick on the one that you like best, and away you go. This is a very popular one here with our retiree investors, the ASX Global Superstar ETFs system here. And it's designed to give you some international exposure via ETFs listed on the ASX. So you don't have to venture outside of the ASX to get exposure to, a lot of US shares or companies outside of America and other such international offerings. And so here it all is. And I'll give you one sneak peek, just one of these here. Right, one holding, here it comes, NDQ. You might want to go and check it out. It was picked up 16th of July 2015. It's up 370%. That's just one such holding. And look at the trend that develops here. So again, just to be clear, we're not fund managers, we're not brokers. All right, we don't manage your money. Right, we design these systems so you can take a look, see what you think each and every day. If you like what you see, then by all means you can certainly consider whether you're going to follow these trading systems or not. If you're not into the trading systems, well then find another one that you're into. So you might say, well, I'm not into ETFs, or I'm not really into the ASX sort of big blue chip type stocks, but I want more aggressive type strategies. Well, we've got them all here for you. Make your selection, pick on the ones that best work for you. So I hope you got a lot out of this short presentation. Until next time, bye for now.